Hi, my name is Amanda Baschnagel, and I am the manager of the Albertsons Library MakerLab. We have been working to 3D print different parts and pieces, as well as trying to figure out how to use our other equipment to help with the COVID-19 crisis that's happening right now. Really specifically, we are 3D printing headbands that go on for face shields. So we're working with the engineering department to make these face shields that can be used by doctors and nurses as they're getting shortages of different masks and other PPE protective equipment in their facilities.
For healthcare workers, a combination of using a real mask, that's a face mask, and a face shield is what seems to be the most effective. So these face shields are 3D printed, the bands are 3D printed. This one has a special kind of design that hooks onto your head. This one requires the use of elastic, and then there's some PETG. It's a type of plastic that's clear that goes on over the face, and so this protects the healthcare workers in the field, and so all of those parts working together, that's what it seems like most hospitals really want.
We've been very lucky that Boise State's community as a whole has sort of snapped into action immediately, and that we get to be at the front of that, sort of helping to ideate and also execute some of these wonderful plans and thoughts. And it's very fulfilling to be able to work with such a large group of people who work at Boise State to sort of react to this crisis.